out of your senses? Are you out of your mind? Eh? You did not see anybody to bring home. It is a girl from Delta. Who told you that Asaba women stay in marriage? Onyegwa.
How many times will I tell you that she's not from Asaba, that she's from Iseluku?
Iseluku dinebe.
Ofufe call na. Asaba Delta stay Iseluku. The same thing call. A Delta girl will always be a Delta girl. If Ofufe call, do you know what happened to you? When you marry her and bring her here now, or mother get 3 children. Before you know, she just take them away from you. To another man, you not say again, you will lose. You don't know.
Oh, loser. Eh? And just tell me that he doesn't know all that.
Even if you want to marry a Delta girl, for instance, let's just assume we're not agreeing. Or Buddha that mommy water get that girl not checking in water. Want to marry? Eh? From the waters. Are you blind? Can't you see Buddha sin?
How can you talk like this, Isi? And when I see Namili Weja, does anybody come out of the waters?
Yes.
You were the ones who were on my neck to get married. I brought the first girl, you turned her down. I found someone I feel I'll get married to and love and have a happy home. You'll still kick against it. What is it?
Kenneth, you're not with your right sense.
Obviously.
No, forget. My enemies have gotten the best of me.
Mama, stop that nonsense. Nobody has gotten any best of me. I'm with my right senses.
You are not. If you're in your right senses, you will not be sitting here spouting such nonsense with your mouth. Huh? Huh? You will not be sitting here spouting such nonsense with your mouth. You see that girl? She is leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
If you don't know how to find the right woman to marry, we will help you. I have friends, as in good friends, whose sisters are ripe enough for marriage. Huh? And not all these things you are bringing home that we don't know where they came from. Only God knows how many hotel beds their backside have graced.
No. I will not sit here and have you insult a woman. She's a good girl from a good home.
I see. A good home indeed. Can you explain a good home? Can you define a good home? She has brainwashed you and made from a good home. You believe that? You believe that? Hook, line, and sinker. Let me ask you a question. Wait, Ekene. Do you know where Iseluku is? Across the night, Ayagawe bound. In Ako.
Ezine, nobody invited you into my relationship.
Yeah.
Nobody has invited you into my relationship. If you do not want to see the wrong part of me, just keep your mouth shut. As for that girl, I will marry her and nothing will happen.
You are insulting me now, Okoya. Sister, can you imagine? You are insulting me. Sisi, that we are here now trying to help you figure out your confused life. You never mean insult. Okwa look it, Tawa and say. No, Tawa see now. It's not your fault.
All of you can go to hell. But if a woman, I will marry her.
Sister, don't bother yourself. Okay, woman. A woman. Let him go and marry a woman. I got me up. I go down for my woman go take the apple.
Flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so. Our love got a flow.
Hey, woman, what are you doing?
Please, I'm leaving. Come take me to the park.
You can't leave now, it's night.
I have to go. I mean, your mother and your sisters do not want me in this house. They don't want me. They think I bewitched you. They think I am from the water. They think that my people are evil and are bad. I mean, I cannot stay in the same house with the people who do not want me. No.
You can't listen to them. Please.
I have to go.
Listen, you can't even go at this time. It's late. It's dangerous out there. What if something happens to you? How do I explain this?
Who cares? Who cares? If something happens to me, fine. Please, I have to go.
No,
I don't even know why I have to follow you down to this place.
Please.
I don't know. Your sisters are cruel and bigoted. Who are there to judge somebody else? Who?
I'm sorry. Please don't do this. I'm the one who brought you. I love you and I'm the one who takes the final decision here.
Please. Marriage involves families. I mean, how am I supposed to live happily with you if your family do not accept me? How? I need to go.
Hey, woman. Hey, woman. See, listen to me.
I have to go.
You can't go. Yes. See, wait. Wait. What kind of a team is this? What kind of a family can man the banyan inside like this? What is this? Hey, woman. I had to come immediately to make sure you got home safe. And I'm really sorry about what my mother said to you concerning yourself and your family.
You don't have to apologize for them. You were not the one that said them.
But they had no right to judge you and your family like that.
Maybe they were right after all. I've heard people say such things about my people, but they think I am Manuota.
That's because you're beautiful.
Maybe they don't want you to get married to a beautiful woman. And maybe I will not make a good wife for you.
Can you cut with the maybes? I love you and I want you back. That's what matters. I'm the one who's getting married to you. Please come with me.
Your love comes with rejection, and that I cannot handle. I mean, I have told my mother what happened, and she said I should not see you again. I'm sorry. I think what I need to do now is just to take my time off, to recover, and maybe someday you will find a woman that will love you and your family will accept.
What is all this? What kind of family am I from?
As a matter of fact, I like that. Now she be my one and only, my super baby. She did this how, she did that how, but I don't know.
So that was how I broke up with a woman. And in that moment I met Nneka.
Nneka?
Yes, the second girl I wanted to marry.
No, you told me Iwoma was the second.
Yeah, no, actually Iwoma was the first. The one before her, we didn't have anything serious. Nneka was naturally a very good girl. Things were moving on smooth between us. But it didn't work out. It just stopped one day. The day I ran into Iwoma for the first time after we broke up.
You ran into her again?
Yes, and she was married.
You know what else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says. And there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Here.
Yeah.
Here is Ekene, my ex, the one I told you about.
The one whose mother and sister rejected you, right?
Yes.
They are lost. My game.
Oh, Ekene, meet my husband, Daniel.
Your what? You got married and you did not tell me?
Oh, I didn't think you would have wanted to know.
Well, thank you for leaving her for me. As you can see. So virtues you made. Leave though? Right, excuses.
Yes.
To my prayers and yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I wanna spend my whole life with you. You know what else will do. You and only you.
Sorry.
You can't just go around barging into people.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Whatever the problem is, God is in control.
Sorry. Excuse me, sorry. What's your name?
Why do you ask?
You seem like I've met you before.
I doubt.
You're beautiful.
As beautiful as other girls you've dated.
Well, I've not dated so many girls, but more beautiful than all the girls I've dated. And the beautiful part of it is that you come from my place. We're from the same place, which means I wouldn't have to pay so much as bride price. And then, my people would not have any hesitation.
I think we should slow down. We just met. We should take our time and study each other properly to see if we'll make ourselves happy.
You're already making me happy.
A few rounds of exciting sex does not constitute happiness.
Yes, I agree.
You're the answer to my prayers, and yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I wanna spend my whole life with you. No one else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers, and yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you.
You know it won't work, obviously. So
Why won't it work?
for so many reasons. That Nneka girl is thoroughly a bad girl. She was into runs while we were in school. Nneka is a girl that dated all the governors and senators. She attended all the parties in Abuja. She is not the kind of girl you will marry. Although not possible. And again, she's my friend.
Oh, good. Fine. Since she's your friend, it makes it easier. That means it will make her integrate into the family easily. And knowing that you know her from way back, she gets in, she becomes responsible. And everybody's at peace.
Really? You have not even come to terms with the main reason.
Which is?
She is not your mate. You cannot possibly marry a woman that is older than you.
And who told you she's older than me?
I am telling you because she's older than me. Otoronge.
I knew you would always get something to hold on to. I knew you would always look for a reason not to accept her. There's always one reason or the other. But you know what? Fine. When I eventually find the woman I will settle down with, I will just invite you, Mama, and Sister Ada to the marriage. I'm not bringing anybody for you to peruse and assess again.
Perfect. Are you done? Kene, I know what to do for you. I will help you as a sister. I will go and look for a very decent girl for you to marry. You go? Case closed.
Our love got a flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so. Our love got a flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so. Our love got a flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so.
So, that's the story with my exes. So you know what you're coming into.
Why did you tell me?
I just felt you should know, normally, so you know what you're up against. My sisters are very uptight. In fact, they are involved in my life. They are interested in who I'm going to spend the rest of my life with. So if you're going to do this with me, you know we are in for a fight.
But you haven't asked me to marry you.
Yeah, but with the way things are going, it won't be long before we begin to talk towards that direction.
It's okay, don't worry. Let's go inside.
You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I wanna spend my whole life with you. You, no one else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my...
Doc, how is your brother?
My brother.
Yes, the one that came the other day.
Oh, Ekene. Okay, it's fine. Why do you ask?
Nothing. Just that I've been thinking of him. I can't just get him off my head.
Really?
Yes.
Do you like him?
Yes, I like him. Who wouldn't like a man like that? He's a handsome man and I hear he's a banker.
Yes, he is.
Please help us tell him that he has admirers.
Is that so?
Yes.
Okay, I will tell him. You cannot go back to your work.
Okay, then.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you? Who are you?
Are you Mr. Ekene?
Yes, I am.
Mama said I should give you this.
My mother?
Yes, sir.
What's inside?
Foodstuffs.
Wow. Hey, Mama, come in. Thank you very much. Come in. Mama has come again. She sent her with food stuff.
Welcome. Good evening, ma. Mama said good evening.
Oh, okay. Mama wrote a letter. What's the meaning of this rubbish? Hello, Mama. What's the meaning of this? Did I tell you I was looking for anyone? Even if I was looking for a wife, is this local village thing you brought here that I'm going to get married to? Mama, let this be the last time you will do anything like this, Biko. Biko.
Nah, chill upon it down. Just take a good look at the girl first before we start complaining. I know what I'm doing.
I am telling you what I think right away. That girl is leaving my house right away. Now. It's not late. Okay? And don't do this again.
Nah, I'm your mother. Camp. And I know what is good for you. I know the kind of girl that will take care of you exactly the same way Mo will make his middle. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. See, she's not like those city girls that you keep bringing home. You see those ones? They are after your money. The minute you lose your money, all of them, they will all leave you to your fate. But you see Esther, she's just like the Esther in the Bible. She will take good care of you. She will stand by you. Nah, don't lose this opportunity.
I'm repeating myself again. Don't ever try what just happened again. If you do
whatever happens to that person will be on your head. As for this girl, she's leaving my house right now. It's not late. And let me warn you, Mama, do not send any other girl my way. This is the last time you'll do this because I will not even pay attention to that person. Okay, please. I'm old enough to choose who I want to settle down with. If I want to get married, I'll pick a wife and get married. And don't bother about me bringing her for you to see because I will not bring anybody for you to see and approve of again.
Okay. Okay, no, like you now.
Bye-bye. Yeah, Auntie. Come on. Auntie, get ready, you're leaving here now. So it has gotten to the point where Mama has to package a girl from the village and send to me.
I couldn't help but laugh. Anyway, I hope you are prepared.
For what?
Enough sex tonight. Yeah? At least this one has your mother's seal of approval.
There's something wrong with you.
My own is that before you touch her, you have to satisfy me first. But wait a minute. Don't you think we should invite her over? I heard threesomes are mind-blowing.
Ulama, this is not a joke.
What do you want me to say? Okay, fine. Jokes apart. The truth is, I think your sisters and mom have good intentions for you, but they don't know how to express it. They are going about it the wrong way.
Just leave me alone. Is that too much to ask? They should stop interfering with my life. I'm capable of taking care of myself. I'm an adult.
I know you are an adult and I know you can handle this. But I really can't say much. Anyway, we have a little girl out there who is obviously confused about all this happening.
Who cares about her?
You don't know what your mother and her mom must have told her before she embarked on this journey. Who knows your wife to be? Anyway, please, I know she must be very hungry. Let me go and serve her. Let me serve her something to eat. I know she must be very hungry.
Hey, like I said, get ready. Hey, it's night day. Get ready.
What's your name?
Esther. My name is Esther.
Oh, Esther. I am sure you're hungry. Have you had something to eat?
No, nothing.
Okay. You will have to come with me so that you can have your bath while I get you something to eat, okay?
No. Ma, just show me where the kitchen is. My mother said that when I get here, that I should cook for brother. I can prepare food for myself and for brother. Just show me the kitchen.
It's okay, but I don't think brother would love you to prepare something for him now, okay? First things first, you will have to have your bath while I make you something to eat. Then you sleep. By tomorrow morning, brother will give you something big to go back with, okay?
Okay.
So what would you love to eat? Rice? Fufu? What? Come on.
Are you serious?
Yes. And if he asks me to marry him now, I will.
No way, girl. You guys have known each other less than a month. No.
It's not just about the sex. I'm equally spending some quality time with him. You see, I have never met a man so tender, loving, and caring. Right about now, my ex looks like a toad beside him. I don't know what I was thinking while dating that brute.
They say a girl has to kiss so many toads before meeting her Prince Charming.
And I have found mine. I'm sure he's on the verge of popping the question. The only thing hindering him now is fear.
Fear? Fear of what?
He told me that each time he takes a girl home, his sisters and mom reject the girl. He thinks the same will happen to us.
So what are you going to do about it?
Well, he told me that whenever he's ready to settle down, he will take just few of his friends to the girl's house to perform the traditional rites without informing his people. Whenever he's ready to do the white wedding, he will inform them.
That's the man I'm talking about. I told you.
I mean, I'm in support of him. It's unbecoming of his sisters and mom, really.
Girl, you've got the right man.
Oh, yes.
I told you. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. So, how about that lecturer, sir? What
that ugly looking man?
What was he blabbing?
I've got no time for that, my friend. I need to browse.
I have been talking to your sister and she made me understand that you're not in any relationship for now.
Yes, I just came out of a traumatic relationship with this guy that I never knew he was a drug pusher. I'm just off men for now.
You should be thinking of settling down. Age piles up quickly, you know.
Yeah, I know, but what can I do? Men want just one thing from a woman, and when you refuse to give it to them, they think you're not serious. I'm just tired of relationships and affairs. I want to get married.
Precisely why I asked to see you. Can you remember my younger brother, Ekene? I'm sure you met him at my wedding.
Yes. The banker comedian. I remember, yeah.
You know him very well. You know he's my only brother. I do remember that during my wedding, you guys struck it off. I wonder why you didn't push through. Both of you would have made a great couple.
I was deep in another relationship then. And I wouldn't have even considered him at that point in my life. So.
And now?
Now I'm free. I'm free now. And I mean, Ekene is a very nice guy. He will make a very great boyfriend.
Helen, I'm sorry, we're not talking about boyfriend-girlfriend relationships.
Okay.
My brother is ready to settle down. And we are so concerned with where girls swim around him.
I'm not surprised, you know. I mean, he's a very handsome guy.
Which is why we are trying to select a good woman for him. And I'm sure that both of you will build a fantastic family. You both have good jobs. You're beautiful people, very easy to people to fall in love with. Are you willing to give something a try with him?
My sister had already mentioned something like that to me. I'm aware of it.
Yeah, that's good. I am going to invite my brother over for dinner this Friday and I would love you to be there. I want to reintroduce you to. Let's start something from there. What do you think?
I'll be there.
Sure?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So, how is Celine?
Oh, she's fine. Just there. She gives me a whole lot of trouble.
Helena, why?
The other day you asked me about my brother.
Yes, Doc.
Why?
Some of us are his fans.
Interesting. You really like him, don't you?
I like him. He has a good job. He's handsome. He's every woman's dream.
So why are you interested in him?
Doc, why are you asking me all these questions?
Can you just simply answer my question?
He looks like a responsible man. At my age, I need someone to call my own, my husband that I can take care of.
And you think you can make a good wife to my brother?
Yes, Doc. I believe that someone like that will have a woman in his life, and people like us can only hope and dream.
Okay.
Doc, but you haven't told me why you're asking all these questions.
Don't worry. When the time is right, I'll let you know.
Okay.
You can go back to your work now.
Anita, what do you mean by strange?
Nothing really. But Doc called me now to ask me if I really meant what I said about admiring her brother.
So, what did you tell her?
You know I like him. I told her yes. But you know someone like that must have a girlfriend. I asked her why she was asking. She said she would get back to me. But do you think she's thinking about introducing me to her brother?
Well, I don't know. I'm not in her mind. Yes. And if I'm to say anything, I'll tell you not to get your heads all worked up. The guy in question is a banker. And not just a banker. A cute one as that.
I like him.
We both know this guy has a lot of girls running up and down around him. Yes. So I'm definitely sure Dr. Izine is not even thinking or saying anything close to what you're thinking.
So what should I do?
Anita, just get your heads off him and focus on your job.
I will do.
Please, can you tell me this file?
We're not going the same way. I need to go to the market. I have to cook before he returns.
Come on, girl. This thing is becoming very serious.
I don't see it that way. It's the normal thing girls do for their men. Besides, I have to do that, then return back to the house before my mother comes back.
Okay, well, Suloma, my friend, has suddenly become someone's wife. And she has to go home to make food for her husband. But girlfriend, he has not asked you to marry him yet. Or has he paid your bride price? I know that Ekene is a good man, but she can only determine a good man when push comes to shove and he remains steadfast. So, I do not want him to use and dump you just as your estate.
Not to worry. I'll be fine. Besides, Ekene says we're going out this evening. Has James told you yet?
Not yet, but you guys are quite fast.
Not to worry, he will tell you. Bye, see ya.
Okay, good wife and make it.
Thank you.
There's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
That will have to hold on a while. I got a call from my sister. She wants me to come over to her place. And I'd like you to go with me. So just go get ready. Let's go there. Maybe when we're back, you make the food.
he wants me to go with you. What if she rejects me like she rejects the other girls?
There is no chance since I haven't proposed to you yet.
Yes, yet.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, dear, go get ready, yeah?
Nothing I won't do to be beside you. I wanna spend my whole life with you. You, no one else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says. And there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you. No one else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says. And there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you. You, no one else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says. And there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you. You, no one else will do. You and only you.
Hello, Auntie.
Hello. Where are you now?
I'm about stepping out now.
Okay, see, you have to hurry up because he's already on his way. He'll be here in a minute.
Oh, okay. I'll soon be there.
Alright, love, I'm waiting.
Perfect. Nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you.
Taxi!
Yes, I'm looking for something.
Have you closed?
No, I'm just coming. Oh no, what's your plan? I should die walking, isn't it? Please, I want to go and rest. I'm tired.
Good evening, ma.
Yes, Anita, how are you?
Fine, ma.
I got night shift today.
Yes, ma.
When you close tomorrow morning, pass through my house.
Why, ma?
Because I want us to go somewhere.
Where, ma?
Must you know everything? Good. Come to my house. I will not kill you.
Okay.
All right? Fine. All right, girls. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye.
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 What do you think we're going to?
How will I know? Your father. Continue. Please arrange that issue.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Who is she?
She's my girlfriend, Uloma. Meet my other sister.
It's my pleasure to meet you, ma'am.
Same here. You're welcome. Come in.
Thank you.
Eken, what the hell do you think you're doing?
I don't understand.
I asked you to come for something very important. I didn't ask you to bring any sniff of a girl to my house.
Sister, please. I will take any kind of insult from you, but I will not have you insult me and my women again. I will go anywhere with anybody I please. I will marry whoever I want to. And there's nothing you, Mama, or Izine can do about it.
Low down your voice. There are people out there.
If you don't want me to shout, then do not insult me and my women. How would you feel if I called your husband a lousy fool?
Are you out of your mind?
Maybe I should ask you that exact question.
I made dinner for 3 people. I invited Helen over so that you both can meet. I didn't bargain for another person.
And who is Helen?
You remember Selena? My maid of honor at my wedding. She's our younger sister. I know that she will suit you perfectly. That's why I want you two to meet. Let's start something from here and end this blind search of a wife.
Sister, I'm not looking for a girlfriend. Neither am I looking for a wife. You see that woman out there? She's the one I want to marry. Thank you for your effort. But she's the one I want to get married to.
This is what we're gonna say. Ekene, you will marry the woman we have appointed for you. It is for your own good.
It's a lie. It is for your selfish reasons. You're looking for someone you can control, someone you will bark at and they will shiver, someone you will talk and she will have her tails in between her legs. This one is not like that. You see that girl? She's fire. If you give it to her, she will give it to you. Thunder and brimstone. And you have to accept it.
Hey! We thought that those girls charmed you. Now I know better. You see this one? This is the one who has charmed you. How can you reject a girl from a wealthy home like Helen to something that dog vomited somewhere? Ijibuche.
I'd rather settle for a dog's vomit than endure your humiliation and insults anymore. You see that girl? She's the one I'm getting married to. And you must accept my decision. By the way, meanwhile, I hadn't proposed to her yet. I was waiting for the right time. But since it has come to this, I will do it tonight. In fact, right now.
I like it so. How I love got the flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so. How I love got the flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so.
I heard your voice.
Yes,
I hope there's no problem.
There's no issue. Yeah, I wanted to do this later tonight, but my sister just convinced me to do it now. Will you just do me the pleasure of being the mother of my kids? Be my wife, please. Yes? Thank you.
Boy!
Thank you.
What are you doing? Has the madness come upon you? What the hell? You don't know what you've just done. You will pay for this insults. I bet you.
No one else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers.
Doc, you haven't told me where we're going to.
You told me you liked my brother, isn't it?
Yes, I like him.
And you want to settle down. Am I correct?
Yes.
Fine. I want to take you to my brother's house. And I want him to see you and let's see if he might be interested in you.
Jesus. You want to take me to your brother? And you didn't tell me about it.
Telling you about it, why? What will happen?
But I've just gotten to the house, freshen up. You know, I'm just coming back from work and I look terrible.
Yes, you do look terrible. But I think it's the best. Because my brother, if he sees you like this and he gets to know that you are just coming out from work looking this beautiful, I'm telling you, he will just approve of you. He loves hard-working women. So don't worry about that.
Oh God, but I'm feeling nervous. So you're actually going to introduce me to your brother? Hey, I can't believe this.
What can't you believe?
I'm just surprised.
You want to settle down.
Yes.
My brother needs a wife, and I think you'll make a good wife for him.
But I don't think I'm that kind of girl that he would like.
Who says that? It's just a normal human being, a normal boy, like every other person. So I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Alright?
I don't know if you would like
Don't worry.
Who's that? Good afternoon.
Sit down. Make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
1 minute, let me use the restroom. Alright.
He has a beautiful house.
Sure he does.
Honey, would you love to have some coffee?
One minute, please. Excuse me.
Where's my sister?
She went inside.
Oh, okay. Make yourself comfortable.
Ekene? Who is that arrogant idiot in your kitchen? Eh? I am talking to you. Answer my question.
Why didn't you ask her yourself?
What did you say? That girl opened that gutter she called a mouth and was telling me that she's your wife. Excuse me?
Do you have any problem with that?
I don't understand you. Where and when did you see that one? That you have given a ring already?
Soon she'll be my wife, like you already know. The earlier you accept that, the better for everybody.
Ekene, that is a very big lie. You lie. Oh, Ekene, so you want to make a fool of everybody in the family, isn't it? But don't worry. Sister and Mom must hear this.
You can go ahead and call Mama. And tell her. As for sister, she knows already. Finger right in front of sister in her house. So you can go ahead and tell Mama what you want to tell her, because there's a settled case already.
You are joking. Ekene, you are joking. You are a joker.
You're all invited. Next week I'm going to see her people. So tell Mama.
Liar. What are you still doing here? Is this your house? Come on, stand up. Move.
Bye, Felicia. I hope she did not do anything funny in there.
No, she didn't. I am in for a serious business.
Never seen this kind of people before.
Sister, can you imagine? Ekene was telling me that he's going to the girl's parents' place by next week to ask them for the traditional marriage rights, procedures, and all those nonsense. Can you imagine?
Isn't it? It's either that boy is going mad, or whichever charm that girl is using on him is very strong. I mean, strong indeed. Because this is not the Ekene we used to know. This one is a total stranger.
Sister, we have to stop him and stop him real fast. If not, he will go and marry that girl. That girl, we don't know where she's from.
Isn't it the most annoying part? This thing happened here in my sitting, right before me. And the poor girl I had arranged for him, you know who that is? Helen, my maid of honor younger sister.
Helen, that beautiful girl?
Isn't it, you can imagine? Eh? Isn't it, I had spoken to this girl about Ekene, and she was willing to give him a chance. Just imagine marrying into that family. They are wealthy. They have everything. Have you forgotten that their father was once a minister?
I know.
But the idiot I called brother proposed to the she-monkey she brought to my house.
Oh no.
Ekene just fear kananya temule. He poured shame on me.
Sister, do you know that? I even called Mama and I told her what happened. She now said that she sent Ekene, a girl. Ekene practically chased her out from his house. Can you beat that?
Isn't it? I think I've had enough. I am going to carry Mama tomorrow morning to the city. I want Ekene to look at all of us in the face and tell us where this madness is coming from. I want to see where he will get that courage to face us. And by tomorrow morning, if that girl is still in that house, hey, I will so deal with her that she will not forget me in a hurry. Believe me.
Sister, you've not even heard half of it. Do you know that she was telling me she's a Kenneth's wife? And she was saying that wearing a Kenneth's boxers and shirt, can you beat that?
What do you blame? You don't need to blame the girl. It's the Kenneth that you will blame. It's the cause of all these insolence. Oh, you boxers, not singlet. And she was telling you that she's the Kenneth's wife.
That girl has some guts.
You like them?
Yeah, they're colorful. Interesting.
Flower base inspired.
Oh, really?
Can't you see the flowers?
Yeah, different colors.
She know this, she know that. As a matter of fact, I like that. Now she be my one and only, my super baby. She did this house, she did that house, but I cannot leave her now. You better mind yourself, now my baby be that you. I like him so, 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 so. I like him so. How I love good flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so, 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 so. I like him so. How I love good flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so. I like him so. I like him so.
They're here in full squad. Now, remember, we have a battle, but you have to stay strong. We'll get over this, okay? Don't fret.
It is you I should be worried about, not me. Baby, trust me. I can hold my own.
That's my baby. Now you wash upstairs, okay?
Yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you. You know what else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers, and yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you. You know what else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers, and yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do
to be beside you.
Am I not talking? These are your faces are like this. Did anybody die? Mama? Isn't it? Yeah, I'll give him fun.
It is obvious that you do not recognize that there is somebody standing right in front of you.
I can see you have a habit of invading into people's privacy. And that I do not like. By the way, who invited you into this bedroom?
Now, get up. Go pack your things. It is high time you left this house.
I hate people who overstep their boundaries. And right about now, that is what you're doing. Touch me again and I will beat you blue black.
What did you say? I didn't hear you. What did you say?
What is going on here?
I hate to repeat myself. But for the sake of clarity, and so nobody will blame me for what I'm about to do, I said if you touch me again, I will beat you blue black.
And I'm touching you, stand up!
Touch me again! Touch me again! Will you touch me again? Is it that you're carrying bottle for? Eh? You are holding bottle for, isn't it?
I told her not to touch me again. And she went ahead to slap me on my leg. And who invited you people into this bedroom?
Excuse me?
The last I remember, you are not paying for this house. So why are you here? Why are you here? Whatever I do in my husband's house is none of your businesses. Well, I'm sure the person I'm in his bedroom doesn't mind.
Chelo, you open that drainage you call a mouth and talk to me like that. Do you know who you are talking to? Emmanuel? Do you know?
And like I said earlier, I am not in the habit of repeating myself.
Sister, the young woman has made herself clear. Leave her room.
Boy, I want that Charomeya. Are you supporting this girl over your sister?
This is the girl I'm going to spend the rest of my life with, not you. Okay? She has said, and I am saying, leave this room. Have I ever come to your houses to barge into your rooms? Or have I ever chased anybody out of your houses?
I don't understand.
What's the meaning of this? Do you know you are trespassing?
Boy, we are trespassing.
Yes.
And she said you should leave! Leave! Okay, we're leaving. He said you should leave! Yes! We're going. Leave! He's not saying.
Oh my God! I never knew they could be this scared.
She was shaking.
Shivering.
Your elder sister was also shaking.
I was like, is that sister Ada? And you acted so rough. I was even scared myself at some point.
I didn't even believe it myself.
Oh my God! Oh my God! This life!
Where did you even get these things? Where did you get them from?
It was necessary. I had to source for this. It was necessary to put them in their place.
I just acted like one
Ras girl.
I was like,
I didn't believe it myself.
I'm just acting like one rascal.
But he has not said no.
I understand English. What I do not understand is the statement that he is compelled to say no. What does that mean? Is he going to marry his daughter? He's spoken highly of me, which means he likes me. I understand the exam part. I, for one, will not have my daughter compromise her exams on account of marriage.
So, who or what is compelling him to say no?
Well, I am of the opinion that you've taken this matter to heart. And I don't think it's necessary. Insofar as I'm concerned, the man is bothered about his wealth. He told you that Uloma is his only child and his heir. He's only concerned about who he will bequeath his wealth to. And whoever marries Uloma gets everything he has worked for.